Let's answer your questions about AirTags. I didn't expect our video to blow up. But anyways, recently we got my pet's AirTags because of Yuki. So, para saan bang AirTag? Basically, it is a tracker. How much po? So, if you buy only one piece, it's 1,890. And if you buy the 4 pieces, so isang pack na yon, it's 6,490. 10 meters lang, diba, distance ng AirTag. Ang alam ko, 10 meters indoors, tas 30 meters if outdoors. Share ko na lang rin tang comment that will answer that best. Nalulubat po bang AirTag, ma'am? Yes, nalulubat siya. You have to change its battery every 1 or 2 years. Saan po yan mabibili? You can buy this at the official Apple store. Saan po kayo nakabili ng lace na paglalagyan ng AirTag? Orange App or Shane. Madami ako pinagbilhan. Hindi ba comfortable sa neck nila yon kasi hindi siya dangling style? Actually, naisip ko na din yon at bumili ako. Trinay ko rin kila Yuna pero mas ayaw nila to kasi pag naglalakad sila na hit siya. Hindi ko ma-explain pero yan. Kaya yun, para mas safe to. Bakit hindi nyo na lang palagyan ng microchip? Based on my knowledge, yung mga pet microchip, wala siyang tracker or GPS. It just contains information about your pet, your contact details, or etc. etc. I think I covered almost everything. Pero basically, hindi naman magiging outdoor cats sila yun na. There's the indoor cats. Kumuha lang talaga kami ng AirTag in cases na mangyari ulit yun, yung tatakbo na lang bigla si Yuki. Actually, kukuha lang dapat ng parcel si Meldy. Tapos bigla siyang tumakbo. So, just in case that happens again, hindi na kami kakabahan. Helpful rin din siya for indoor cats. For example, lalabas na kami. Tapos hindi namin sila mahanap bago kami lumabas. Pwede ko lang i-beep-beep sa phone ko. By the way, I don't think na this is like the super best tracker for your pets. It's super convenient for us since meron na kaming Apple ecosystem. Ay, tapos may question din pala na if gagana ba to sa Android. Sorry, no. So, punta ka lang sa Find My. Tapos, for example, andyan si Yuna eh. So, siya yung i-track natin. Go ahead. Nearby. And here. Tapos ito yung play sound. So, ayun lang. I hope this video helps. Follow us for more.